So Steve Dooley, your local real estate expert with the Lawton team here today. We're going to take a home tour of 5617 North Camino de las Estrellas, located in the Catalina Foothills area near Swan and Sunrise. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath townhome, 2037 square feet, built in 1974. So let's go have a look. Front entryway here, security doors, large double doors coming in. This home's been fully updated. This is the wood look tile, which is definitely in style right now. Solar tube up there. And immediately to the left is the guest bathroom. Let's just take a peek. Nice shower tub in here. Everything's been upgraded here. Okay, this is back to the entrance, and then immediately off the doorway you have guest bedroom number 1. And they do have that wood tile throughout the whole place here. Brand new fans. It's a double bed, so you could definitely easily fit a queen in here, and a king. A standard closet. Back out to the main kitchen and dining area. You have skylights up there that you can see coming through the light. Nice wood burning fireplace. Looks like a hall closet here. It's more like a utility closet. Come back through the kitchen. So you have the fireplace in the center. It's actually a 2-way fireplace. And then you have more of your living room, family room area here. There's the other side of the fireplace. So step back. So it looks like that on both sides. You got standard ceiling height. Little sliding glass doors out to the back, and then right off there is the master bedroom. Take a peek in there. They had a little dog. Gave him a little staircase there, and that's a queen size bed. Definitely lots of room in here. Easily put a king in here. Bathroom there. Good. Dual sinks. And shower gonna be back there, but off to the left you have a really good sized walk-in closet. Stand-up shower. That's a really big shower. You can even put a wheelchair in there if you had to. Just big enough for it. And then you have another like closet area here. Let me back up a little bit. I'm actually standing in the shower. And they have a skylight in here as well. It's not super deep. They got luggage and stuff in here. There's more shelving and storage. Lots of storage in this place. And then that's the door for the bathroom. And then you have your toilet right here. Ceiling fan. One thing to note, it does. So when you open the door, if you want to go to the bathroom, you just have to make sure you close the door to get in there. Not too big of a deal. Okay. Back through, again, there's the main dining and kitchen over there. Living room area. And through these barn doors, it's bedroom number 3, which could be like a guest bedroom, office. They have it set up as an office, but this could be definitely something as a guest bedroom. It's a double door there. That door goes out to the back porch. I'll show you that in a second. This is the room. Another closet over there. Standard closet. So definitely room for a couple twin beds, double bed, queen bed, you name it. It's a good sized space. And this door, I got curtains on it here, but I'll just show it to you. So it's a standard door here. And then this door goes out to like a little covered patio area. So they had a small dog, and I think they maybe used this area for the dog. There's a doggy door, but it's all enclosed and in the shade. They got brick pavers everywhere, keeping it all enclosed. And then that door goes out. That's the rest of the porch there. I'll show you that. Sorry about the film. So back over here to the double doors will take you out to the main backyard. It's a pretty small backyard. Not much of a view on this one. So you got basically a large wall there. It's definitely enclosed and private, so it's very quiet. And that's the master bedroom there. Fine. And that's that enclosed area off the guest bedroom 3. Okay. So through here, so there's 2 ways to get back into the kitchen area. Come through this side. Again, that's the living room, main entrance way over there. Then here's the kitchen area. Nice updated countertops. I want to say it's some kind of stone. I want to say marble or something. All new cabinets, refrigerator. And then you got like a little partition wall there. Just look in the kitchen here. So that's kind of what the kitchen looks like from back here. And then through this door leads out to the garage and the utilities. So this is like your utility room. You got your water heater and your washer dryer. With some storage. It's all been updated and everything, cabinets and everything are new. And you have a little, they have it as their doggy room. It's just like basically a storage room. Nothing really in there, just storage or extra space. So right here is the access to the garage. car garage, the cabinets and storage and stuff. Again, they get a lot of storage.
Hey, Steve Dooley here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done so already. And also, don't forget to download your free Tucson home buying guide. Check out the link in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching and keep watching our videos. We'll talk to you soon.